Okay, so this is compound interest questions from 2008 paper, question number 17. Any invest 330 at rate 1.5 per year compound interest. Yeah, compound interest. What is a compound interest formula? Right, so future value will be principal multiplied by 1 plus rate over 100 to the power of n. N is number of years. So this is years, time in year. This is rate in percentage. Okay. And then P is the principal value or the present value. Okay. Principal value or present value. Okay, FB is the future value, or this you can say compound interest. Yeah, the future value. Okay, so this one, calculate the amount N years after 8 years. So 330 multiplied by 1 plus 1.5 divided by 100 to the power of 8. Okay, so careful when you put into your calculator. So you need to make sure you calculate this correctly, and this thing to the power of 8. Then only you multiply with 330. So you're gonna get 371.74 dollar. Yeah, so that's a compound interest. Okay, so this compound interest means, if you see here, the initial value was 330, right? So it means that this added with the interest, they add with the principal, right? So if you remember the simple interest just the interest, right? So this is different. Okay, so this one, find the amount of interest N has after 8 years, the interest as a percentage of 330. So again, so they just want the interest. So here 371.74, you have subtract with 330. So actually the interest is just $41.74. This is the interest. They said the interest as a percentage of 330. So 41.74 from 330, and percentage we multiply by 100, which represent percent. So you're gonna get 12.6%. Okay. Okay, so there's a factorization questions, question 18 here. Okay, so maybe I can do this quickly. Alright, so this one you do using calculator. Alright, so if you put in the calculator, right, so you use GDC, I think, algebra, and then after that polynomial tool. Alright, so they're gonna ask what is the degree. Degree is the highest power, so that will be 2. Okay, so that will be 2 for the degree, and then once you put that, and then you're gonna get the 882 is coefficient at x square, a1 negative 7 and x, and then negative 20 is a0. Alright, so and then you put all this, and then you're gonna get the answer, I think negative 5/3 straight away. Okay, however, this kind of question usually they want the working. So what you can do is, alright, you put back in the bracket. Alright, we're gonna do inversely. We get the answer, now we do the working. Alright, so this if negative, so it will be positive 5/3. So if positive 4, it will be negative 4. Okay, and we do not have denominator when we factorize. So what we can do is we put this next to x. So it's supposed to be 3x plus 5, and then x minus 4 equals 0. Alright, by writing all this, you're going to get mark here for working and mark for the correct answer. You're going to lose mark, or maybe some mark scheme won't give any marks at all if no working shown. Yeah.